Lose your mind. Give me your energy. Let's go. Supreme Team.
This was the year he fell to pieces. And ironically, this was the year when more people than he knew even existed scrambled to put him back together again. As they tried, they didn't notice that he was smiling. Smiling his ass off. No pun intended. Oh, what have we become? Oh, what have you become?
You know what's wrong?
Yo, the music ain't loud enough. I can still hear the voices in your head. The choices that chosen to choose temporarily impaired me. I'm terribly proud. If you don't turn it up louder, I'm breaking out.
Everybody, put them up, put them up. I just want to see. Let's go. All of you clapping.
Of to know what I'm doing, but there won't be no alarm when we sound up the movement.
Faster!
The music ain't loud enough. Until it's done. And I hold his hand as I walk him across the street. Got caught inside of a self-taught, it just don't stop.
See if you're ready for this. Easy.
I can smell a foul stench of fear, you panic. You gon' get it. This will end right here. I'm about to make shit a little tense in here. Best friends become strangers. It took a turn for the words. We'll never know who to blame is. Your smile is fake, your words offend me. Your grudge and envy's all you send me. Let me tell you, there's a reason that my heart grows empty. So that tricks and lies can cut inside. We clinch, you die. So much of a flinch, you die. We gon' settle it tonight, cause tonight you die. Tonight you die. Tonight you die. This will end right here. I'm about to make shit a little tense.